you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you.
What is happening, guys? Gary Jahman here, back at it again with a new video. Hope you're doing well, hope you're safe and happy. So in this video, as you see, I'm in my new office space, new setup. It's still a work in progress. A couple of days back, I also uploaded a video that I actually deleted accidentally. I was trying to delete something else, but anyway, that was deleted. But now you also see what is happening right now. So things are looking okay. I got my MacBook Air, I got my ultra widescreen monitor, I got my microphone and stuff like that. And also got my light here. This light actually was a Godox SL60W, if I recall it correctly, with a huge parabolic softbox of 90 centimeters, but that is way too big. Now I just got some sheets covered on the light and it actually looks pretty okay. I think it looks okay, not sure really. I have to check that out in the post-processing. I need to redesign this office, so this mirror on the back will be removed real quickly, and then I will paint it like light grayish, something like that. And on the other side of the wall, I'm going to do also a little color, maybe just simple white or something else. I'm not sure really, but you know, it is what it is. I hope the sound is good, is decent, but in general, I like this little space. Usually I create my videos and I work in the attic, but that attic is now being rebuilt into 2 bedrooms, so that's why I have this little space here. New videos will come really soon, and I'll be seeing you in the next one as always. So that's that. See you in the next one. Goodbye. Good luck.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until